So our students do a lab on chemical reactions in class where they get to mix some chemicals based on the procedure and watch out for the observations, record those observations and put them on the lab report with their teams. And they have to then write the complete balanced equations based on those reactions.
They have to do 6, let's say, experiments, but they are assigned 1 experiment per group to be videotaped and to be posted on the Blackboard, okay, so that they can go back to it and look at it. And there is also a component on Blackboard which involves discussion, like questions based on the video of the experiment that they've shooted in the classroom.
So in chemistry lab, we had to record our lab experiments. Each team was assigned a specific lab to record, and we all had to post it up online, which gave us the opportunity to be a little bit more creative with our reports. We also had to answer 3 questions about the specific lab we were assigned to, which helped us retain the information a lot more.
The UDL made it even more accessible and more engaging and more interactive in terms of, for example, students who miss the lab can also see what their colleagues did on that day of the lab and can experience and go through the same experience as the one that that their colleagues went through in the classrooms.
If I was a student who missed a class, I would have had the opportunity to redo it because everyone uploaded online, and it was worth a big percent. It was worth 15% of my mark. That being said, I also had to do more work if I were the student who missed it. I would have to watch all the videos that everyone uploaded and answer all the questions that everyone else answered to obtain that 15% so I don't lose a grade.
It takes you a while. It is definitely a good amount of work, but once it's done, it makes it a lot easier after, because then students who are kind of coming back to you asking for makeups and I missed that and I missed that. Now they already know in advance that this is what's going to happen and this is how they're going to get caught up on it. So this UDL approach is actually benefits both the parties, those who were in the class as well as those who were not in the class. Those who were not in the class, of course, get caught up from their peers on that topic, and they get to complete the work, they get all the mark that they work on. And students who were in the class that day, who are in the class that day, they actually get a better learning experience. Their learning is much more enriched, enhanced, because they get to spend some time video recording that. So it increases the engagement piece between students to students, and then they also get engaged more with the content.
By having them videotape their own work, it made it really a great and huge success in terms of helping themselves, first of all, and helping others in the class.
The entire learning experience was more engaging, it was fun, it was interactive, and it wasn't just your basic lab experiment where you just did all the labs and 1, 2, 3, done. You actually had to put some effort into it, which was amazing and exciting as well.